Hey guys, we're gonna create a brand new campaign here. Really it's interesting because this little post did really well, just a basic post that I boost, but we need a little bit more control. So we're here in the ads manager. And so let's get started here. Let's create a new campaign. And we're gonna have the objective, our campaign objective is gonna be to get some leads. Leads, we love leads. And if you have real estate or credit or housing player, your categories, because you will get rejected, trust me. Advantage campaign with this advantage campaign budget, different ad sets, but we'll get there later on. Let's name this new, actually we'll just, and no category selected, and we're gonna go down to the ad set. Now remember the campaign is the overall goal, and the ad sets is gonna give us, like for instance, if you had if you go into Walmart, you can really think of them as sections like clothing, men's clothing and women's clothing and babies' clothes. These are different ad sets, okay? In this case, we're just gonna have one ad set, lead ad set. He's our star of the ad. Instant form, because we want a form that pops up when they select to get more information. You could integrate with a new little thing, have instant forms and messenger. But I really just recommend the instant form instead of the messenger. We do have automation inside our Firewire system that can jump in, but you have to communicate with them within 24 hours or you'll lose access. Yeah, let's just, here goes CSA. Set the conversion location to instant forms and messages that we can automatically send to more likely provide information. I think we'll create another ad set later, and with that, and we'll test to see which one does better. So we can copy this, and then once we have it done, we can copy it and just easily change that to Instagram instant forms and messenger, okay? And then we're gonna select the right page, and we gotta look for Fairwire ads, maximum number of leads, like the catalog if we had like Shopify or WooCommerce, and we're gonna set a lifetime budget of $200 so that we can schedule a time for these to run, and we're gonna say end date bucks, so we're gonna say the 6th, we'll give it to the 15th, about $25 a day, and we're gonna use a saved audience, realtors 2737, that says 55. We changed it at the last, and we're gonna leave advantage detail targeting alone, just because we can always, remember, we can create a new ad set and toggle that on to see if it performs better. Yeah, that's so placements, and it says it really doesn't know how it's going to function. Let's say here, if I did allow it, so funny because each people beyond is talking about when it's likely to improve, but it doesn't allow you to click it. It's some little iffy things. Look at that. So you select it, and then there's nothing to select. Once it's gone, it was gone. So I can't even select it even if I wanted. And make sure you do get, you don't want to speak another language. Unless you speak another language, you could select Spanish. I speak Spanish, but I rather just deal with, I'm not that fluent, So, yeah, that's fine. Let's go here. So we're going to create an ad, just add image. If you put them in there before it remembers there, and you can see if the 916 may look better. You have to make sure it looks right or the best it can. 2% lower cost per result. Oh, that's good. And we're gonna add primary text. Go here at the beginning. So we have some already done by ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT. You need to copy these over one, and you can add a few more primary text here so they can run them. See which one runs the best. Just copy those 5. That hard to do. Look, I mean, we already got how many minutes? We have 7 minutes in. We're on with the help of ChatGPT. And then we said headline. I'm gonna add a few headlines here. I already wrote it here, so I said write me a headline for the form. In fact, I said it has to be 50 characters long, so just copy that. It's 4 to 5, so we'll give them 5. 33 and 11. Learn 33 fast deal. Pretty cool, right? With ChatGPT, it really helps you create, some copywriting started coming around like with automation years ago. Now the description, notice here, description needs to be here. So in the description, and instead of call to action, let's do a sign up. That sounds a little bit too direct. Let's just say learn more. Instant forms, Realtor form view your phone and email. The less, the better. And that's really about it here. What is this? 2 out of 5 partially out. You do an advanced just to take a look at it if you like, how things look. This is how it's going to look on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, profile, marketplace, videos, explore home business, explore all these different areas, stories, because because it turned it into videos. So it's in a lot of different places, which is fantastic. And that's really it. The form's ready to go because we already pre-built it out. You just click publish. That's really it. Less than, what are we at? About 10 minutes. That's how easy it is, folks. Now, I did create the audience for you in that previous video, so you may want to check it out on the YouTube channel. So it's totally published, and you can see it inside here. It'll say pending or processing. Come over here to the dashboard, and here goes the new leads under. You'll see it, new leads ad set for Realtor Tim, and then the ad itself processed. So that's it. It's $200. It's going to be running here, and let's just review and publish, as there's one here that looks like to be published. And let's take this off, and we can pull out exactly why that's here. What ad is that? And a little trash can. But I always turn the good rule of it looked like it turned back on. You seen that? Let's just turn these things off. It's just a good rule of edit. And the only thing I want to see here, really the one that we have new leads. So if you look at campaign, this is the top umbrella. That one's the only one on. And then the only ad set is new ad for Realtors. And we have the one ad running that's in process, view and publish. And still see that error post ad name, and I still can't fix it. Try. Interesting, huh? Facebook has still. Okay, so I was able to get rid of this error by simply selecting it, and then I just discarded the draft. So a draft is like a advertisement or ad that you made changes to, but you didn't publish. So I just discarded it, and this will help. Just starting off from the beginning, from campaign, I would just be. This is the only one green. This is top level. That's on. Ads inactive. It's processing. It takes a little while to get processing. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys learned a lot this Facebook ad creation. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm Alan at firewireads.com. Check me out at firewireads.com, or for realtors, realtor.firewireads.com. See you on the next one.